All right, next up on our series of what guns are, let's talk about machining. So, there's lots of ways to approach this. We started with community last week and had a discussion in the Daily Gun Show afterwards. Let's start with machining on the material side of it. There's lots of different components of firearms, but one thing that's been fairly consistent through the entire history of them are the metals. And the machining is the process of getting those metals into usable configuration, and then now the tools themselves and the skill sets, the knowledge for those has guns have been part of the development of the machines, and then as the machines develop, the firearms can develop, and that aspect isn't done in isolation, right? That aspect or that part of firearms, in fact, has driven things like the Industrial Revolution. So without getting, or maybe with getting, off on all those tangents, we'll talk about that this week on what guns are. How are guns involved in machining, and how is machining developed because of firearms? So we're developing this project. Leave us some comments where you find this video, if it's on gunstreamer.com or if it's on guntube.org or if it's on someplace else. Leave some comments in the place where you find it, and we'll start a discussion. If you create your own podcasts or your own conversations out there, consider talking about machining. We'll be talking about this tonight on the Daily Gun Show at midnight Eastern, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.